my expert assistance, he soon finished the core, made her a tree, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀ ಹೌಸ್, ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ, ವಿತ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ಡೋರ್. ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಿಟಕಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಗಿಲಿರೋ ಅಂಥ ಪುಟ್ಟದೊಂದು ವುಡನ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಕಟ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನಿ ಮೂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೌ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಐ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ರೂಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೇ. ಆವಾಗ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಮತ್ತು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟೀ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಊಟ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ರೂಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೇ. ಶಿ ಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಶೆರಿ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ಶೆರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ವೈನ್, ಜಿಂಜರ್ ವೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೆಚ್ಚಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಚಳಿಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಶಿ ಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಅಪ್ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ರಿಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ. ಅಪ್ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು, ಅವರು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಅಜ್ಜಿ. ಟು ರಿಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. Now children, let us move on to question and answers. The speaker in the poem does not call his grandmother childish. Instead, what does he call? He calls his grandmother genius. Our grandmother na genius anta karita idare. So what else was she according to him? According to him, grandmother was a genius. Why does he consider her to be so? Because she was genius or expert in climbing the trees. In the lines 1 to 4, it says that she would be up their branches in a trice. She can climb the tree so quickly, and when last she climbed, she was 62 years old. Next, grandma had been in the habit of climbing trees for a very long period. Identify the lines that suggest this. For a very long period means since she was, ever since childhood, she had this gift for being happier in a tree than in a lift. So these lines suggest that she was climbing trees for a very long period. ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಲುಕ್ ಆಟ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ 7 and 8. She would be told, who do you think would tell her so? And though as years went by, she would be told that climbing trees should stop when one grew old. ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಮರ ಹತ್ತೋದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಥರ? ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್, her family members, her son, her grandchildren would say that she is old and she should stop climbing trees anta. Do you find, fourth question, do you find anything odd in the reply given by the grandma? If so, why do you think it is odd? Growing old should be done about gracefully. She would laugh and say, well, I'll grow disgracefully. ನನಗೆ ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಮಾ. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್, ವೈ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ grandma said that she will do it disgracefully. That is the answer. Grandma says that she will do it disgracefully. Next question, others had feared that Granny would fall from a tree one day or the other. Did this happen? Or did something else happen? No, she didn't fall from the tree. Answer is no, she did not fall from the tree. Instead, she couldn't come down, and she had to be rescued. Somebody had to put her down. She climbed the tree, but she couldn't come down. Next is, others had feared that grandma would fall from a tree one day. What had the doctor recommended? Sixth one. What was the reaction of the kids to this advice? Reaction of the doctor recommended, answer is sixth question. Answer is the doctor recommended 1 week bed rest. And what was the reaction of the kids to this advice? That they tucked her up well in a bed. They sighed with relief. Her children sighed with relief that they won't have any headache, that she will be on the bed and they will not have much headache. Seventh question, quote the lines which suggest how wholeheartedly Granny enjoyed climbing a tree. These lines, answer idakke. Seventh question, that a house in a treetop was what she wanted now, and she called for my father, told him undaunted. Undaunted andre without any fear or doubts, without any fear, she called for her father and said that a house in treetop was what she wanted. Children, did you understand? Next question, eighth one. My dad knew his duties. What did he think his duty was? His father's duty was to keep his mother happy. That was his duty, and his mother wanted a treetop house. So he wanted to make a house on the tree. Ninth one, look at the picture given below the title. ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀ ಹೌಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಟ್ರೀ ಹೌಸ್. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ at the picture, quote the lines that might have guided the artist to draw that. The lines in the poem, that is, that a house in a treetop was what she now wanted. House in a treetop. This is the answer. Read and appreciate. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 4 questions ಇದೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Children, please take down. Read the poem again. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಯಾವ behavior of grandma does the behavior of grandma strike you as unusual? So for this you can write answer, grandma climbing a tree. One is grandma climbing a tree is unusual. Second one, she climbed a tree in the age of 62. Then grandma moved up on the tree house. So that is also unusual. Then the next one, growing old gracefully, is an expression used in the poem. Discuss with your partner whether what the grandma was doing graceful or otherwise. For this you can write the answer. Grandma was doing graceful or otherwise. ಅವರು ಗ್ರೇಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸ್ಗ್ರೇಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ? Yes, she was disgraceful. She wanted to climb the tree. She never listened to anyone. Next, third question. Both the narrator speak in the poem and his father was very considerate towards grandma. Our father ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಅವರ ಅಜ್ಜಿನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಳಜಿ ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪೋಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಅ ಹೌಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ ಟಾಪ್ ವಾಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ನೌ ಶಿ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಡಿಯರ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಟು ನೈಟ್. ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಾಳಜಿ ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್, ಐ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ರೂಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೇ. ಇದನ್ನು ರಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಪದ್ಯ ಬರೆದಿರೋರು. ಐ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ರೂಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೇ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾ. ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. If you were to divide the entire poem into two parts, which line would you pick up the beginning of the second part? ನಾವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅದನ್ನು 2 parts ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಶಿ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಲಾಂಗರ್. ಆ ಬೆಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಶಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಡ್, ನನಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗೋಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಶಿ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್.